All right. Good morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a pre-market analysis. Bear with me. I still have my pollen allergy. I just like sneezed 20 times in a row. Um, but yeah, let's dig into it. It's pretty straightforward, but let's start with the XY. So daily wise, how did we close on the daily? Bullish candle, all right. You know where we're looking to trade from. These areas for sells on the XY. And for now, we're just looking to long into those areas. Now, the XY is not looking the cleanest, if you ask me. You can see the most recent structure is bullish. Um, but yeah, the XY is not looking that good, to be fair, compared to the EU. Because EU, I'm actually looking to sell from above Asia highs now. Mm. And on DXY, I can't really see that because we had that break. Oh, well, actually, this is the last low letter at high. So for DXY, playing the most recent range, it would look like this. And then it would mean sells below here or buys below here. Translating that to EU, yeah, it's kind of the same. It's this range. It's a little bit more large. And actually, yeah, never reached pretty discount here, but so looking at these equals here in New York highs, got Asia high below that. So looking to, as I say, always say, Asia high doesn't work as a single confluence. So I'm going to take Asia high, New York highs, and then I'm willing to take sells for buy trades. We're not in the area to look for buys. If you ask me, why not? Because there's no bullish structure, if anything. And outside of that, we are not in a high probability area to look for buys. We took these highs. We are above all highs in terms of internal range liquidity. Um, we are inside the deep premium, oh, not that deep, but kind of deep premium of this red range. We also know that we did achieve discount on this bullish range, so therefore we can look for longs, but not in this area. At least here, I want to see some, what's it called, relief, see some clear, just like myself. Myself are always from above old highs on my buys, should be from below old lows. Or my sells are from premium areas and my buys should be from discount areas. So until that happens, we're not looking for buys. So ideally, until here, we keep looking for sells. Um, yeah, let's look at the daily candle from yesterday. It was not that strong. I actually gained some more momentum to the downside during after New York, but uh, so we got previous daily lows, and over here we got previous daily highs. And that's the range for today. Yeah, that's basically it. So I'm looking for my high probability area sells above here. Why sells above there? Well, if you zoom in, I hope I'm correct because I didn't see it yet. Well, so you could class maybe this high as an internal range liquidity. But other than that, there's not like any clean internal range liquidity. Get some early sellers here. If anything, this one, because we start to form bearish structure. So you could maybe class this entire move as your early sellers. I think we will get one more on the way up, inducing from Asia high. If we go up, of course, inducing from Asia high and New York highs, get an inducement over here somewhere, and then get that continuation to the upside. So yeah, you can see that we took this trend line out. Yeah, my areas, here, sells here, and sells above. I don't know if I want to look for sells here, but sells above previous weekly high as well. Could be a previous daily highs. That's also a nice area, as it's also an Asia high maybe. But ideally, stick with this area. High, low, lower high, lower low. Didn't take any deep interrange liquidity over here though. So the fact that we didn't take any interrange liquidity over here might be that the result might be that this is a fake range maybe. And we come up higher first and then get that move down. So yeah. GU. So we broke bearish in GU as well. And GU is a bit cleaner. The trade is playing out very nice. Actually, let's leave that on. Let's remove all this. And then where do we want to sell from at GU? Because we're not looking for buys. Why not? Well, and this is a bit tricky. Could maybe look for buys below here as we get that liquidity. Look at the area that we got below here. So it's huge. So ideally, you don't want to look for buys until here. That will be high probability. And I think it's best to stick to that. Just take high probability trades. If there's no trade, there's no trade. But don't force yourself into the market by suboptimal trades. It makes sense. You could get like a reaccumulation here. Bear structure, bullish break, continuation up. There's enough reason to go up. If you ask me, we're ready. Oh, let's go to 15 again. Got this trend line building. So there is enough reason, but there is this bear structure. But then where do we want to sell from? Because do we want to follow this right now? No, we want to first reach premium pricing before we look for sells, meaning that we should wait for at least Asia highs to be taken. That's our internal range liquidity. And this is quite correctional. This entire break was slow movement. This was fast. This was slow. So stay cautious with with GU because of the slow price movement here. It's not the cleanest, no clean entry areas. Now maybe in the 1 hour the supply zones. Nah, it's just messy. These candles. I don't know where GU right now. Like we got this area, tap into that as well. This is all, it's just a mess. So yeah, I want to sell from this premium, but I don't know from where. That's the real thing right now. So yeah, let's just see. Let's focus on EU. I will try to trade today if I get the opportunity. Sells from above here. Other than that, I will just be busy with work. So that's it, guys. GU, unfortunately, not looking clean for me. EU, looking for sells off here, from above here. That's my ideal play. That's my bias for today. That will be lining up with the XY coming below these Asia lows and then going for longs. Now we can see that this is quite correctional, but at the same time, price might just continue to follow this structure until we're up here. This leg doesn't have any real internal range liquidity. That could mean two things. One, as soon as we reach premium pricing, price turns around. Two, this leg might be taken out and we continue to the upside. So yeah, that's it. Peace out. Good luck.